Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. In this chapter, we will discuss the different type of resources. Different type of resources means different type of materials which are basic needs on the on the basic of needs on the basis of needs. These substances are divided into two categories. The first one is natural resources and the second one is artificial resources. We can divide into artificial. Natural resources are those resources which is found in nature, and the resources which have been made by the human efforts are known as artificial resources. So the resources are of two types: natural resources and artificial resources. Natural resources found in nature and artificial resources have been made by human efforts. Now this is our activity in which we have collected different type of materials used in our daily life and classify into the natural and man-made. Okay, so you can we use air, we use sunlight, we use soil. These are the natural resources, and man-made, just for example furniture, fridge, TV, different type of appliances which is made man-made. So these are the natural and these are the man-made resources. So you can collect different substance and divide it into two categories: natural and man-made. Okay, now so we can say air, water, soil and minerals which we get from the nature are known as natural resources. Natural resources are further divided into two categories, broad categories. These are of two kinds: inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which is found in unlimited quantity in nature, means these are present in maximum amount. These are natural resources cannot be exhausted by human activities. How many amounts human beings can use these resources? Sunlight, air, these are the inexhaustible resources which are present in the unlimited quantity. The second one is exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are those resources which is present in the limited quantity. They can be exhausted by human activities after some time. For example, forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the substances which are exhaustible, means which are present in limited quantity. If you can use in unlimited way, after some times these are exhausted. Okay, these natural substances will be exhausted. Okay, now this is the activity. In this activity we can take popcorn, peanuts, roast, gram and toffees. These are the eatable substance, and these eatable substance used by the consumers. In this the consumers divided into different groups: first group, second group, fourth. Any, we can say in first level we can take one student, in second level we can take two, in third we can four, in fifth we can take five, in sixth we can six student. So in first level, first one student only present, so one student can use any one thing in all of these. Okay, now in second stage, second student take much amount as compared to one. In third stage, four student use many much amount of these substance. In, if the students number are increases, for example we can say seven students use maximum amount. So in after some time the substance amount will be decreases, or maybe for remaining students these are completely exhausted. No one substance can be remain after some time, because population continuously increases, number of students continuously increases. So these can be use the following substance, and after sometimes these substance are limited, after sometimes these substance can be exhausted. Okay, so if we use maximum amount of these exhaustible substance, so after sometimes these substance will be exhausted, means ये substance जो है आपके वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. Okay, now in this chapter we will discuss different type of natural substance, for example coal, petroleum, natural gas, the story of these substance, how these substance are formed, and what is the uses of these substance we will discuss in this chapter. Now, some exhaustible natural substance are coal, petroleum, and natural gases. These all substance made by the dead remains of living organism. These substance made by the dead remains of living organisms, which are known as fossil fuels. Means fossil fuels, we can say coal, natural gas, petroleum are also known as fossil fuels. Why? Because these substance are made by the dead remains living organism. Because when plants, animals are dead, become dead, they decompose by the bacteria. After long time, after many years, these, at the high pressure, at the high temperature, these dead animals, plants converted into the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Clear? Now we will discuss coal. What is coal? Coal, we can say, coal is the hard substance. These are the hard stone and it is black in color. These are the hard stone and it is black in color. You can say coal, and every students are well known about the coal. Okay, so this is the coal. It is black in color and it is hard stone. Coal is one of the fossil fuel which is used for cooked food. In villages, in ancient times, coal are used for making food. It is widely used in railway engines to produce steam. In starting, steam engines are used. In steam engines, coal are used for producing steam. Okay, it also used in thermal power plants. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. So the various uses of coals: the first use for making food, the second use in railway engines for producing steam, in third use it is used in thermal power plant for produce electricity. It is also used as a fuel in various industries. These are the uses of coal. Okay, now we will discuss how coal is formed, what is the story of coal. So this story of coal we will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much.